In this chapter, I'm going to explain how to visualize solid using section planes. In this example, I'll be using this geometry and we want to see the cutaway paths with the help of section planes. To initiate this tool, go to section panel, right to the top button. Now, where do you want to create your section? Let's say I want this end of the geometry. Select it. After that, we need to move the sectional planes in order to cut the parts of this object. For that, click the plane. Here you have 3 arrowhead axes. Using this, we can use to drag the plane so that it cuts the parts it covers, and press escape key. As you can see, that part is removed. Turn off object snap. For now, we are not using it. Same way, you can apply this command in any part of this geometry. Press delete key to go back to original shape. Let's apply cut away to the top. Again, select the plane using the arrowhead. Drag to download till your required length. Press escape. Now you will be able to see the section view. You can also choose the type of section plane. Select the plane and choose this small downward pointing arrow. You have options here. I'm going to select volume in this case. As you can see, the whole geometry is covered with the volume. By using these outer arrows of the volume, you will be able to expand the size of the volume, and by doing so you will increase the visibility of the geometry inside. For example, if I move this arrow in outer direction, then room is created for the geometry to expand, and drag top arrow to see more of the geometry. Not only you are able to increase the size of the volume, but also you can decrease it by using the same arrow, even though the arrowhead is pointed outwards. As you can see the effects. This is how you can visualize your geometry using volume or plane. This little grip which is pointing up is used to view whatever is left outside of this volume. It's not the cut off sections. These parts are also visible inside volume as well. Click the grip again to go back to original volume section and press again. Choose plane. In this also you can switch between sides. Press the arrow to flip and press again to go back. Now if you want to visualize the solid with the section geometry as well as the geometry which is present on the screen, then we can turn both the geometry. Right click and select show cut away geometry. This brings back the parts which was initially removed. Still, if you move further, then the cutaway sections increases with visible red color. So using this you can visualize both more clearly. You can also add jog. Right click and choose add jog. Now using the section line, select a point. First turn on object snap, then click the point to add jog. As you can see, when you orbit, the sectioning plane has changed its shape. You can reshape it again using these grips. So this was all about sectional plane in AutoCAD 3D.